Cooking with Amma. So Amma, what are we going to cook today?
Chundal.
So are the ingredients ready?
Yes.
Are we to cook?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
So for making chundal, we have taken chickpeas or white chole and we will be boiling it in a pressure cooker. This is 1 cup of chickpeas which has been soaked overnight, and we will let it boil until you hear 8 to 9 whistles. In a separate pan, we have taken about 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and now we have added about 1 strand of curry leaves, and we will let the curry leaves pop. Once you hear the popping sound of curry leaves, it's time to add the boiled chickpeas into the pan, and we will saute it well. Next up, we will be adding salt to taste. Next up, we'll be adding 2 green chilies that has been cut from the middle and saute it well. Next up, we will be adding about half cup of grated coconut into the pan. Adding the grated coconut will not only give it a different texture but also leaves out a beautiful fragrance. Now we will saute it well. And your chundal is ready to be served hot. I hope you liked this healthy yet easy recipe, and if you did, do try it at your home and enjoy with your family.
So guys, if you liked our video and want us to make more such videos, then do
Like,
share,
comment,
and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Cooking with Amma. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified every single time we upload a video. Goodbye, happy eating.